Many teams start with Monday.com, but quickly find themselves juggling multiple tools and paying for extra apps just to complete a project. In this video, we'll walk you through the top 5 Monday.com alternatives to help your team work more efficiently. Let's start with Lark, an all-in-one platform built to eliminate the need to switch tools or manage multiple subscriptions. When you begin a project, Lark provides instant synchronization. You can initiate each project with a dedicated group chat to centralize discussions and idea sharing. Next, for comprehensive project tracking, Lark Base enables you to manage tasks by clearly assigning owners and setting deadlines. You can easily toggle between different visualization modes to grasp the overall status. If priorities change, you can dynamically reallocate tasks with simple drag and drop actions. Additionally, you can set up no-code automation for reminders, status updates, and notifications within the platform. Lark also provides a comprehensive CRM to manage the entire sales journey in one place, from capturing leads to closing deals. To further boost productivity, Lark AI meeting notes automatically identify and capture key discussion points, action items, and task owners immediately after every meeting. Regarding pricing, Lark offers a generous free plan for up to 20 users that grants access to 11 tools. Paid plans start at a competitive $6 per user per month. Next, let's examine Jira, which is another option for Agile software development teams. Jira offers robust tools specifically designed for sprint planning, backlogs, and issue tracking. It also features seamless integration with developer tools like Bitbucket and GitHub. Jira provides a free plan for up to 10 users, while paid plans start at $7.91 per user per month. In addition to this, we have Asana, which is best for project tracking and simple automations. Asana is known for its easy-to-use visual tools, like timeline and calendar views. It allows you to enable simple automations to streamline tasks without spending too much time setting them up. Asana includes a free plan for up to 2 users, with paid plans starting at $10.99 per user per month. Then there's Smartsheet. Its key features include offering different views such as grid, Gantt, card, and calendar view. You can monitor projects using dashboards with widgets and real-time information, and track updates via activity logs. It features automated workflows and is highly suited for cell-based planning and formula. Regarding pricing, Smartsheet offers no free plan, and paid plans start at $9 per user per month. Finally, we have ClickUp, recognized for customizable workflows. ClickUp provides over 15 custom views, letting you look at projects from different angles. It functions as an all-in-one solution that includes chat features to make communication simple, plus preset project templates. ClickUp offers a free version for personal use, and paid plans start at $7 per user per month. When it comes to the constant app switching and hidden costs that drain your focus, transitioning to a unified platform can streamline your entire workflow, eliminate manual oversight, and save your organization from unnecessary subscription fees. Click the link in the description below to start your free trial of Lark